Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. I won another giveaway. This time it was from Branscum Farm, their 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got. The rabbit's foot on a shotgun shell. That is just too cool. Had that thing wrapped up good. Didn't want it to get broken. It's a Blackberry 2019 Branscum Farm. We got a letter. A thank you card. Thank you for the support on YouTube. This community would not be the same without you. I hope you enjoyed the jelly, and lucky rabbit foot. May you be luckier than the rabbit. Hope you have a wonderful day. God bless. Branscum Farm. I want to thank Branscum Farm for sending me that. Looking forward to that blackberry jelly or jam. And hopefully the lucky rabbit's foot brings me some luck. Pretty neat. Please go check out Branscum Farm. I will put their link in the description of this video. Go show them some love. Help them get to 2K. They do gardening and raise goats and chickens and rabbits. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.